Ever felt like your money is slipping through your fingers? Like you budget diligently, but somehow end the month broke? You're not alone. Millions struggle with managing their finances, and that's where YNAB, where you need a budget, comes in. This award-winning budgeting app has become a game-changer for many, helping them take control of their finances and achieve their financial goals. But who's the mastermind behind this budgeting revolution? Who owns YNAB and steers the ship? From humble beginnings to budgeting hero. YNAB's story starts with a young man named Jesse Meacham. Back in 2004, fresh out of college and drowning in student loan debt, Jesse desperately needed a way to manage his finances. Traditional budgeting methods just weren't working for him. So, he decided to take matters into his own hands. Drawing inspiration from his grandfather's envelope system, Jesse developed a unique budgeting approach that focused on assigning every dollar a purpose before it was even earned. This became the foundation of YNAB's signature method, Rule 4, give every dollar a job. Building a better budget. Armed with his innovative approach, Jesse launched YNAB in 2005. It wasn't an immediate success story. The early days were filled with challenges, with Jesse coding nights and weekends while juggling a full-time job. But his passion for helping people manage their finances kept him going. Slowly but surely, YNAB started gaining traction. People resonated with the unique budgeting philosophy and the user-friendly interface. YNAB's online community grew, with users sharing their budgeting triumphs and encouraging each other. A team effort, beyond the founder. While Jesse Meacham is the visionary behind YNAB, it's important to remember that YNAB's success is a team effort. Over the years, the company has grown significantly, with a dedicated team of developers, designers, customer support specialists, and marketing professionals all working together to make YNAB the best budgeting app it can be. Ownership structure, unveiling the mystery. So, who actually owns YNAB? Here's the thing, YNAB is a privately held company. This means that its ownership structure isn't publicly available. There haven't been any public announcements about venture capital funding or acquisitions. This might leave you curious, but there are some clues to consider. There's been no major shift in YNAB's core philosophy or business model, which suggests that the company hasn't been acquired by a larger entity that might prioritize profit over user experience. Furthermore, Jesse Meacham remains actively involved with YNAB. He frequently interacts with the user community and even hosts live Q&A sessions. This suggests that he likely retains a significant ownership stake in the company. The future of YNAB. While the specific ownership structure remains under wraps, one thing's clear, YNAB is committed to its mission of empowering people to take control of their finances. The company continues to innovate, releasing new features and refining its approach based on user feedback. With a passionate founder at the helm and a dedicated team behind him, YNAB is poised to continue its journey of helping people break free from financial stress and achieve their financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.